Here at Pro Roofing America, we think it's super important that you understand exactly what's going on your roof. You're gonna hear a lot of words that are said from the project managers as they're walking you through the process. And for the next couple of minutes, I'm gonna show you all the different components that are gonna go up there so that you can see them and not just hear them. First off, this is an example of your decking. The wood plank that is underneath all of the components that are on your roof right now, we make sure to rip everything off so that we can inspect this to make sure it's not rotted. Secondly, after we do the inspection, we make sure to put new high-class synthetic felt on. What's great about this is it's extremely durable and it's a second protective layer for your roof. You can see I can't rip this. The older style that you may know is called tar paper and it's extremely rippable. This is going to give you that extra layer of protection that you deserve on your property. After the synthetic felt goes on, we put on what's called ice and water barrier. We put this up per code as well on the rakes, the eaves, down the valleys, and around your penetrations. It has a sticky membrane underneath to ensure that water doesn't get underneath it and doesn't freeze and cause ice damming. After the ice and water goes on, we begin to put on the shingles. They start from the bottom and they work their way up. This is an example of a shingle that we put on, and one of our project managers will make sure to bring by different samples for you so that you can pick out your color. There's class 3, there's class 4, there's a lot of different options, and we make sure to explain to you exactly what they are. Once the shingles get laid all the way from the bottom up to the ridge of the roof, which is the very top, then you're gonna have your ridge shingle that goes on. It looks very similar to the architectural shingle that we're gonna put on, but it goes over the top of your home so that water doesn't penetrate in. This is an example of ridge vent. If your home already has it, we'll install new ridge vent on top. And if not, you've probably seen these before, we install new turtle vents. This is an example of a plumbing boot. We make sure to install all of these as well. Take the old ones off and put the new ones on so that your roof looks fresh. If you have any other questions, your project manager can go over it with you. I hoped I helped you understand the process just a little bit better.